Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to upload guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys Samsung phone guys, this phone screen color prolong guys, how to fix. Since we want to fix guys this setting, so guys we call it guys color inversion. So guys, how to fix color inversion in Samsung phone device today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on it after on phone setting and how to fix current version. Guys, click on guys your Samsung phone guys phone accessibility setting guys. Open your accessibility setting. Guys, visibility we will tap here guys. Click on your current version. So guys, tap on guys the right side icon guys, we will tap here, and guys, we will tap also here. Then guys come back and you can see guys your phone color inversion will fix. Hence we can use guys the screen without any problem guys. We can use guys this phone videos, we can watch videos without any color problem guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to fix color inversion in Samsung phone device. So bye guys.